Want to use DoorDash like a pro? In this video, I will guide you with some smart tips to save money, get faster deliveries, and improve your experience whether you are a first timer or regular. Start by signing up with a promo code or referral link. This can give you free delivery or discounts on your first few orders. Once you've made your account, turn on notifications so you don't miss limited time deals or free delivery offers. Next, avoid peak delivery fees by ordering outside lunch and dinner rush hours. Try placing your order slightly earlier or later to reduce wait times and fees. You can also pick the pickup option if you are nearby and want to skip delivery charges altogether. Before placing your order, always check the restaurant's rating and estimated time. Look for places with high accuracy and on-time scores. They tend to be more reliable. You can also sort by lowest fees or best overall to find the best value. If you want to save more, subscribe to Dash Pass if you order more than twice a month. It removes delivery fees and reduces service charges at eligible restaurants. Another tip is to stack your order. Group items for family or roommates in one go and use the group order feature if needed. This keeps delivery costs low. Finally, always tip fairly and clearly. A generous tip upfront usually gets you faster service. Many drivers prioritize high tipping orders. And that's it. By following these tips and tricks, you can use DoorDash like a pro. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.